India is a country in South Asia. It is the seventh largest country by area and the second most populous country. Most of India forms a peninsula. The world's highest mountain range, the Himalaya, rises in the north. The east is bordered by the Bay of Bengal, the west is bordered by the Arabian Sea, and the south is bounded by the Indian Ocean. This means that India also has an extensive coastal ecosystem that extends for over 7,500 kilometers. India's terrain varies widely from the Thar Desert in the west to jungles in the northeast. A fertile area called the Ganges Plain covers much of northern India. This formation was created from soil that was deposited by rivers running from the Himalaya. On the coast of Bay of Bengal is the Sundarbans, the world's largest mangrove forest. India is home to an extraordinary variety of climatic regions ranging from tropical in the south to temperate and alpine in the Himalayan north, where elevated regions receive sustained winter snowfall. The nation's climate is strongly influenced by the Himalaya and the Thar Desert. India's long coastline has many distinct tropical marine ecosystems, copious river drainage for wetlands and marshes, and huge biodiversity of marine plants. India is a mega-diverse country which displays high biological diversity and contains many species. India supports about 65,000 animal species and 12,000 types of flowering plants. India also contains 4 of the world's 34 biodiversity hotspots or regions that display significant habitat loss. The true diversity and multiplicity of origins of India's people was not appreciated fully until recently with the revolution brought on by genetics. The Indian people descend from migrating farmers and indigenous peoples. These ancient peoples had a rich history of herbal medicine. Ayurveda was this traditional system of medicine that originated in the ancient Vedic times of India. It is a comprehensive approach to health and homeostasis that addresses body, mind, emotions, spirit, and environment. Ayurveda is translated as the science of life. Our patented Shant complex is packed with the power of bioactives from 4 Ayurvedic herbs. Each plant addresses the acne inflammasome in distinct yet complementary ways. Centella asiatica, also called gotukola, is a perennial plant that grows in temperate and tropical swampy areas all over the world. In Ayurveda, it is used as an adaptogenic herb believed to strengthen mental acuity, heal wounds, and rejuvenate skin. In addition to its antibacterial properties, it helps to moisturize, reduce redness, and improves skin resilience. This is ideal for soothing irritated, acne-prone skin and helping to recover from an outbreak. Pogostemon cabalin, more commonly called patchouli, is a bushy perennial herb native to Southeast Asia through northern India. It is related to mint, lavender, and sage. In Ayurveda, patchouli oil has been used to treat dermatitis, acne, eczema, and dry skin. The abundance of bioactives like patchoulol, patchoulines, and pogostol provide therapeutic calming effects by enhancing homeostasis via the endocannabinoid CB2 receptor system. Tetraselmis chui is an intensely green, unicellular marine microalgae. It can be very efficiently manufactured in a bioreactor, therefore making it an incredibly sustainable biotech ingredient. The extract contains linoleic, palmitic, and oleic acids. It has anti-inflammatory properties, prevents skin irritation, and regulates the secretion of sebum, which is critical to preventing clogged pores. Fucus spiralis, more commonly known as spiral rack, is an olive-brown algae seaweed that grows attached to rocks in the coastal regions of Europe and North America. In Ayurveda, acne Acne is said to be an imbalance of the Kapha and Pitta doshas, which lead to clogged pores and inflammation. Seaweeds are considered an energetic food, salty, astringent, cold and sweet, that help reduce this Pitta and Kapha imbalance. Fucus not only contains skin beneficial minerals but also anti-inflammatory polysaccharides called fucoidants that help comfort irritated, acne-prone skin.